Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, February 10, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, February 10, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong February 10, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, February 10, 2026. Here are the two nice jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for February 10, 2026, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, February 10, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.